Yeah. Yeah, they're pulling the cash vaults out now.
Chase 1 has it. We're staying with the driver.
10-4, clear channel for Charlie 15 Alpha units to 12, 2130.
Hearing front seat passenger.
The Orange County Sheriff's Office is strictly a law enforcement aviation section. So our mission is strictly law enforcement.
Our bread and butter is the law enforcement mission. So it's search and apprehension for bad guys. Patrol support primarily. So if patrol is following vehicles, pursuing somebody, we have somebody flee on foot. Those are all the things that we get called out for to help them with. We do some small search stuff, not usually the rescue portion. We're not equipped with a hoist or anything like that. But we'll be called out for missing persons or overdue boaters, assist the fire department with fire mapping.
The Bell 407 works for us because our jurisdiction is actually so large that we need the speed of a 407 to transition from one side of the county to the other for calls for service. Also, we're the only law enforcement aviation unit for the entire county, which means we serve all the municipalities and the federal agencies doing law enforcement work here. So the 407 is the perfect ship for us.
There are 13 municipalities within the County of Orange that we support, and then we also will supplement the surrounding counties if for whatever reason they need to take a break to refuel if they're flying a mission. We will go provide overwatch while they break and take care of whatever they need to take care of for the counties to the north, the west, the east, and the south. We fly two different airframes of helicopters, the L4 and the 407, and annually we do recurrent training in each airframe. We tend to space it out, so every 6 months we're doing autos in one or the other airframe.
Well, I think the 407 is definitely a very capable aircraft. I've flown 7 or 8 different models of helicopters over my 10 years as a commercial helicopter and airplane pilot, and I think the Bell 407 is probably my favorite. And as far as just a standard patrol mission with a camera and a searchlight on it, it's fantastic. But it is a multi-role helicopter. It's got a hard point on the bottom. You can put a bucket on it if you're doing long line work or fire work. We actually happen to have a couple sets of the TSOP platforms, so for doing SWAT insertions and things like that, it's a good platform for that. We fly low level. We fly in a very crowded airspace environment here in Orlando, one of the busiest airspace environments in the country. We're a very big helicopter heavy environment here. We've got 4 news ships that fly regularly here in Orlando. We've got half a dozen to a dozen tourist helicopters that fly down our tourist area. If we're working a large critical incident down in the tourist corridor, there's no denying the fact that we could have 2 or 3 tour helicopters, 2 or 3 news helicopters, law enforcement, maybe medical. We could have 6 or 8 helicopters working in close proximity. So some of the technology that we've got now, the ADS-B, the traffic alerts, the TCAS things, that stuff is all just, it's phenomenal. It's a great addition, and it certainly makes us much safer, and it makes my job that much easier flying the aircraft for sure. It is certainly a multi-role helicopter, but from a pilot's perspective, it's a very capable ship. It's very fast. It's got plenty of power. I don't ever find myself in a situation thinking, boy, I wish I could go faster. I wish I had more power. I have flown them in higher altitudes as well, and all the way around, it's a very capable ship.